Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. A historic and potentially record-breaking blizzard is barreling towards the northeast tonight, prompting widespread states of emergency and travel bans across the multiple states. States of emergency have now been declared in the New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Delaware, Massachusetts, Rhode Island and Maryland as a powerful bomb cyclone rapidly strengthens off the East Coast. Blizzard warnings are in effect for more than 38 million people from Maryland to Massachusetts, including major cities like New York City, Boston, Providence and New Haven. This is the first blizzard warning for the New York City since 2017 and the first for Boston since 2022, underscoring just how powerful this storm is expected to be. Meteorologists say the storm is undergoing bombogenesis, meaning it is intensifying extremely quickly. Pressure is forecast to drop nearly 40 millibars in just 24 hours, almost double the threshold that defines a bomb cyclone. In simple terms, this storm is exploding in strength. Heavy snow will begin intensifying from the central Pennsylvania down into the northern Virginia before spreading north along the busy I-95 corridor. Travel conditions are expected to become dangerous to nearly impossible overnight. Gusts could reach up to 60 miles per hour along the Jersey Shore and Long Island overnight, with some areas in the eastern Long Island and southeast New England possibly seeing gusts over 70 miles per hour by Monday. And these strong winds combined with the heavy snow weighing down the trees and power lines could lead to widespread power outages. By Monday morning, the blizzard will be in full force across Connecticut, Rhode Island and Massachusetts, where snowfall could accumulate at the rates of up to 3 inches per hour. Forecasters say this storm could rank among the top 10 and possibly even the top 5 snowstorms on the record in several major cities. Meanwhile, the West Coast is also facing dangerous weather. The powerful atmospheric river is set to drench Northern California and Pacific Northwest with the heavy rain and mountain snow. Rainfall totals of 1 to 3 inches are expected along the Interstate 5 corridor from the Washington state through Oregon and into the Northern California. Because the ground is already saturated from the recent storms, the risk of flooding is increasing. Another surge of moisture will hit Northern California late Monday into Tuesday, bringing additional heavy rain and raising flood concerns, especially north of the San Francisco Bay Area and in the Sierra foothills. The storm system will move into the northern Rockies by midweek before high pressure brings drier weather to the west. But for now, all eyes are on the northeast as this historic blizzard prepares to unleash life-threatening conditions. And authorities are urging residents to stay off the roads, prepare for possible power outages and follow local emergency guidance. And that's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.